Hey Penny Pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, Shalomie, and today I'm coming to you with my fall living room refresh. So if you want to see the changes, you know exactly what to do, guys. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, as usual, you know we're going to start with the coffee table, and you guys are no stranger to this mirrored coffee table. I've had it for many years, and it's just a nice classic piece. I've tried to get rid of it before, but every time I do, I can't find anything to replace it, so it's gonna be here for right now. I got this coffee table from Facebook Marketplace a long time ago. I want to say about 10 years now, and it's just a beautiful timeless piece. All right, so let's look what's on top of the coffee table. So here, guys, I have this beautiful vase. This vase was a Home Goods find. Super gorgeous. I think I bought it earlier this year or late last year, I can't remember. And then these gorgeous fall picks I picked up from Hobby Lobby. As you can see, they're two different colors, super gorgeous. I just kind of went in and did a mix. These were $7.99, and then they were 40% off at Hobby Lobby. So if you have an opportunity to run into your Hobby Lobby and you like these, go ahead and pick some up. I just got these last week, so your Hobby Lobby might still have them, and the sale might still be on. All right, if we pan down a little bit, I'm using this beautiful maple leaf as a holder to corral these pieces. These beautiful ornaments came from Hobby Lobby also. I did a couple of shorts on them. These are the Studio McGee velvet ornaments that went viral last year, and everybody was trying to find them at Hobby Lobby. They are in Hobby Lobby now, and they also have the fall collection, which is where I picked these up from. And they have the regular ones from last year, which was like the browns and the creams and stuff. Super gorgeous. One thing to note about this one, because it is in the fall colors, it's not in the regular Christmas ornament section. You're gonna have to look in the fall area where the fall decor is at Hobby Lobby to find these ones. And then these pumpkins, I believe I also got them at Hobby Lobby, but that was last year. Here I've added these 4 beautiful coasters that I picked up from Home Goods, I think last year sometime. And these are resin, guys. Very light, very beautiful. And I just love the little gold effect that it has on the edge to tie in the maple leaf container here. And then right here I've added a candle. I think I picked this candle up at Ross like last year, last fall. You can see it's burned all the way down, but it is Golden Harvest and it smells like fall. So that is it for the coffee table. Moving over to the sofa, guys. Give you a long shot and then I'll take you in. I have this beautiful plush throw. Now I've had this throw for maybe 4 years. If you've been rocking with me, you will know this throw. I've had it since my Tirana days, and it's durable. It's very plush. It's beautiful, and I just absolutely love it. I have it draped and it's touching the floor a little bit. And while we're on the floor, this beautiful rug, let me pan out a little bit. I picked this up at Tuesday morning before they went out of business 2 years ago. All right, back up on the sofa, guys, are my beautiful pillows. These are not pillow covers. I actually picked these up recently at Home Goods. You would have seen them in my recent haul. If you haven't seen that haul, I will put a card and also check it out in the description box below for the link so you can check that haul out. But I thought these were just absolutely gorgeous. Look at the texture, the design, and to the back of it is suede, right? So if you want to just use that side without displaying all the texture, you're able to do that as well. Beside it, I have these gold tone pillows, and I'm trying to keep everything like earthy, you know, with a little bit of glitter. That's what I'm going for this fall. Super, super gorge. This pillow was in a set of 2, and that was also in my last haul video. Again, I will put a link close to the end of the video and a card that you can click on it and watch that video. Now guys, here is the beautiful, I call it the YouTube pumpkin. About 4 years ago, this pumpkin pillow made it onto the YouTube streets, honey, and it has just been killing the game ever since. But funny story, I'll show you around first and then I'll give you the story. So I have this one here, and if we move over to the corner of the sofa, here's another one that is a lumbar design with the 2 pumpkins on it. And then right behind that, I went in with another one of my beautiful pillow from Home Goods. And then if we pan to the next end of the sofa, I have basically the same arrangement with the other pumpkin pillow. Now guys, here's the story. This pillow I got from TJ Maxx. I remember I was in Canada, saw it on YouTube, decided I had to have it. My aunt went to TJ Maxx in Florida, purchased it, made a trip there, and that's when I picked it up. Now about 5 months ago or so, I went to Goodwill and saw this one as well as this other one. Now when I got to Goodwill, this lady had them in her cart. She was all packed up and ready to go, and I saw her kind of like, you know, second guessing, should I get it, should I not? So I kind of kept my eye on her, and then she called me over and she said, hey, I don't think I'm gonna take these anymore, but let me give you first dibs. I didn't just want to put them back and then somebody else would come and pick them up, so would you like them? I said absolutely. So I took them in my cart and went and paid for them. Now guys, they were $3.99 each. $3.99 each for these 2. In comparison to this one, even though it was years ago, I paid, I believe, $39.99 for this one. But anyway, I'm happy guys that I got the 3. And I believe that they're timeless. So you'll see them time and time again in my fall videos. I will always decorate with these pumpkin pillows. If not here, then somewhere else, but you're gonna keep seeing them, okay? Okay guys, let's just go over to the fireplace here. And what I have done here is I usually have these 3 lanterns on the fireplace. And I just added some pumpkins to the first one. And then I just have a couple on the side here. These pumpkins came from various places. I think they came from Hobby Lobby, the Dollar Tree, I believe. And my lanterns came from Home Goods last year sometime. So that's what I've done on the fireplace. Just left those there. And if we pan over on the floor here, I have a few more lanterns over here, and I went ahead and added the this beautiful pumpkin here. I call it my Cinderella pumpkin because it looks like, you know, that coach that came to pick Cinderella up for the ball. Super, super gorge. And I've had this was probably one of the first pumpkins that I purchased for the fall season. I bought it at Home Sense in Canada, maybe 5-6 years ago. As well as this little cutie right here beside it. I also picked that one up at Home Sense. My lanterns in the back came from Home Goods. And that is what I did for this little section right here. And it's right next to the sofa. As far as my built-ins, guys, I really didn't do too much for way of fall. I just added one of the other little pumpkins here beside this vase. And to be honest, when it comes to the fall season, I don't do too much with the built-ins because right after that is Christmas and I'm too excited to get my Christmas decor going. So I usually don't want to be moving too many things to get my Christmas decor going. On the other side, quite similar, not much changes at all, with the exception of me adding the other little pumpkin here. And like I said, in another few months or so, I'll be getting ready for Christmas. So I'll just quickly move the pumpkin and start adding my Christmas items in here. Okay guys, from the sofa over to this little space here, I haven't changed anything, guys. I kept it the same with the my two chairs with the black and white pillows that complements this artwork here. I left my little table here with my tray and the beautiful Underworld chess game. This is the new home for it. People come over, they sit here, they just turn the chairs face each other and they play chess. So I didn't decorate for fall at all in this space. I just left it as is. So here is just a view, guys, from the kitchen area. Off to the side here is where you have that little sitting area with the chess piece or the chess game. And then moving around, the total layout of the living room from the side of the kitchen. If I move it around, this is the view now from the front door. And there goes JoJo, wanting to be all up in the frame. And this angle here, guys, is me walking in from the front door. So this is what you see standing at the front door. And then if you come in, you're in the entire space. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly do appreciate you coming by and spending time with me. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you clicking on this video and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by simply hitting the subscribe button below. And make sure you hit that notification bell also, guys. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos, and they will be coming soon because I'm about to get ready for Christmas. Yes, I know it's early, but I have to start pre-planning. And to my lovely penny pinchers, you know exactly how I feel. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher ChelomieC saying bye-bye.
Glamorous penny